Getting back to the 1100G, I've done a few things today. This is the battery tray, which I had to take out. I've also taken out the air filter. This is the one I made up from a cabin filter, which still looks in pretty good shape. It did not get sucked out, despite not having a screen over it, so happy about that so far. And what I want to do is look at the carburetors inside the airbox. So I've got a little lamp here that I'll turn on. See if we can get a picture of it. And you can see the carbs down there. Throttle slides. All the throttle slides move easily, and I want to see what happens to them when the engine's running. So I've got a little bit more work to do, get it ready to run, then we'll run it. So I've got the fuel tank set up, so it'll run down that line into the fuel pump. I've got the battery in and out of the way. Good job it's a lithium, because you can put the lithium at any angle, it just doesn't care. Hopefully my light source is going to work for me. Let's see if we get anything. Turn it on. I might be able to see a couple of them. That might be the better light, maybe. Let's turn it on. There was one click from the fuel pump there. Now I'm going to press the primer button. And there it is, sucking the fuel in. Carbs are full, it's shutting off. Alright, see if I can start it too, with one hand. Getting pretty warm now. Run for a few minutes. Let's see what happens when I open the throttles. It's dying. You can hear it starting to die. And there it is. I think that should capture whatever's going on.